The Pauli exclusion principle identifies that only 2 electrons can fill a single orbital. And just as your home address is specific to the place where you live, the same goes for electrons in regards to their quantum numbers. No 2 electrons can have the same exact 4 quantum numbers. Additionally, the Pauli exclusion principle articulates a very specific limitation on the number of electrons per orbital. S orbitals can have a maximum of 2 electrons. P orbitals can have up to 6 electrons. D orbitals can have up to 10. And F orbitals can have up to 14 electrons. The word Aufbau is German for built up or